Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on machine and tool safety. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Machines are used in almost every industry and are one of the leading causes of occupational injury. Improperly trained or careless operators are often the victims. Only trained and authorized operators should operate machinery. This lesson will discuss general machine safety and the proper personal protective equipment. It may be difficult to know or memorize safety protocols for every piece of equipment you use. However, the following are basic principles that will at least point you in the right direction when it comes to being safe around most machinery. You first have to know the hazards. Make a safety check. Make sure everyone is clear of the machine before starting it up. Check the guards and safety devices to make sure they are in place and properly adjusted. Do not operate power tools or machinery when you are ill, taking strong medications, fatigued, or consuming alcoholic drinks. If you cannot do a job safely, don't do it. Do not smoke while working with tools and machinery. Keep your machine and tools clean and free of debris, as well as the area you are working in. Avoid distractions and keep your mind on your work. Electrically powered machines and tools need to be grounded. Extension cords are not to be used as a permanent source of electricity. Wearing the proper clothing for the type of work you are doing can be essential to your safety. Take time to know which equipment you need for your specific job, as this can also someday save your life. The following are basic principles when it comes to PPE, and for more information, see our personal protective equipment lessons in our GotSafety lesson library. Do not wear loose-fitting clothing when working with machinery and tools. Jewelry and long hair could get caught in certain types of machinery and certain types of tools. Remove jewelry such as...
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.